Turn your YouTube channel profitable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to monetize your content step by step. I'm also sharing pro tips that can triple your earning through the YouTube Partner Program. Step 1. Meet YouTube monetization requirements. The first step to monetizing your YouTube channel is meeting the necessary requirements. What are these requirements? Well, start by going to your YouTube channel. Click your profile picture, select View Your Channel, and then go to Manage Videos. From there, navigate to your Analytics by clicking the Analytics tab on the left. To see your channel's performance over the past year, set the date range to the last 365 days. One key metric we need is 4,000 hours of watch time within this period to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization. For example, this channel already has 8,000 hours of watch time, so it meets the first requirement. The second requirement is 1,000 subscribers, which is easy to check by viewing your channel's subscriber count. This channel, for instance, has 5,000 subscribers, so it's ready to be monetized. Step 2. Apply for YouTube Partner Program. To get your channel monetized through the YouTube Partner Program, head to the left-hand menu in your Creator Studio and select the Earn button. Once the Y Apply button is visible, click on My Apply Now to start the process of signing up for monetization. The first step is to review and accept the base terms. Click Start to begin. Read through the terms, then click I accept base terms and accept terms. Next, you need to sign up for Google AdSense if you don't have an account yet. AdSense is what enables you to receive payments from YouTube, with your earnings deposited into your AdSense account and sent to you monthly based on your revenue. To set up AdSense, click Start. If you don't have an account, select No, I don't have an account and follow the prompts to create one. You can use the same Gmail you use for your YouTube channel. If you already have an AdSense account, click Yes, I have an existing account, select your Google account, and then click Accept Association to link it to your channel. You'll be taken back to your YouTube studio to continue the process. Once your AdSense account is linked, you'll move on to a step which is the review process for monetization. You'll get an email with a decision, usually within a month, though it often takes just a few days. Your channel should be monetized soon after approval. Step 3. Enable ads on your videos. I'm going to log into one of my monetized channels, which is my main personal channel. This channel earns a significant amount each month through the YouTube Partner Program. The next step after getting monetized is to enable ads on all your videos. Once you're notified that you've been accepted into the program, go to your video manager in YouTube Creator Studio. A new tab will show up, indicating whether monetization is turned on for each video. To save time and avoid enabling monetization for each video individually, especially if you have many videos, you can simply click the Select All button on the left, choose Edit, go to Monetization, select On, and then hit Update Videos. Step 4. Optimize video ad settings. For videos longer than 8 minutes, you can boost your earnings by adding mid-roll ads throughout the content. To do this, click Manage Mid-rolls and place ads approximately every 2 minutes, gradually spacing them further apart towards the end of the video. For example, an 11-minute video could have 5 ads. This strategy can significantly increase your revenue compared to videos shorter than 8 minutes, especially when applied to your most popular content. Another tip to maximize your earnings is to go to Settings on the left side of your dashboard, then select Upload Defaults and choose Monetization. Make sure all ad types are enabled by checking the relevant boxes. This ensures that all new videos you upload will be fully monetized automatically, saving you the trouble of doing it manually each time. Step 5. Google AdSense. Payout. Once your channel is monetized, it's important to note that Google AdSense requires you to reach a $100 threshold before paying out your earnings. Typically, you'll receive payments on a monthly basis, directly from your AdSense account to your bank account. During the sign-up process, you'll need to provide certain details, such as verifying your address, which is a normal part of the process. Once everything is set up, and you start earning from your videos, the funds will accumulate in your AdSense account. It can be a bit confusing at times when you log into your AdSense account and see a balance of 0, even though your analytics show you've made money. To avoid this confusion, be sure to click on the Payments Account drop-down and select YouTube, as AdSense for websites and YouTube are handled separately. Once your total earnings reach $100, AdSense will pay you monthly. So don't worry, your money will be stored in the account until it reaches that threshold. So far, in this video, you have learned the step-by-step guide to monetizing your YouTube videos. We've covered everything from meeting the monetization requirements to setting up your Google AdSense account and maximizing your ad revenue. Remember, it's important to keep track of your watch time and subscriber count, as they play a significant role in your journey to becoming a YouTube partner. Once you're accepted into the program, be sure to enable ads on all your videos and take advantage of the various ad types, especially for longer videos. Your journey to YouTube success is just beginning, and I'm excited to be part of it with you. Let's build a thriving community together where we can all learn, grow, and succeed. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide on how to monetize your YouTube videos. I hope you found the steps clear and actionable. Now, I want to hear from you. What specific strategies are you planning to implement to boost your watch time and subscriber count? Are there any challenges you anticipate as you work towards monetization? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to engage with you and help in any way I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Profitability Plus. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest content that focuses on maximizing your online income and achieving your financial goals. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.